Good morning. You guys, this is my first morning in my new apartment. I have no lights on, and look at this. You can see me. This is so crazy. But it's so hot. It's like, yo, me and Fuffy nearly died last night of like over excessive heat. Like, I get that it's like almost or wintertime weather, but like, this is too easy. My hair, like, it was already fall, but like, I sweated this out even more last night. Like, I look like a homeless person. I really need to take care of myself. But, anyways, Marlon has gone off to get some stuff. So, as soon as he gets back, I'm gonna head back over to the other house and finish packing, cleaning, while him and his brethren move the stuff, because that's their job. I pack the shit, he's moving it, and I don't give a fuck. No. I brought one chair, I brought my sheets, my pillows, and my goddamn self. And we're here not realizing that we were gonna have to shit and piss and brush our teeth. So there's no toothbrushes, no toothpaste, no toilet paper, and no towels and all of that shit. So last night we had to go to the gas station and we stole the tissue paper and we had to beg the pizza man for extra plates and cups and napkins, and they only gave us napkins, no cups. So F our life. But yeah, exactly. Could have been like the first time when I had no furniture. At least we had somewhere to sleep. At least we had somewhere to sleep though, so you know. But yeah, that's what's going on for now. So I'll check in with you guys. Oh, happy Halloween! It's trick-or-treating day today. I'm so excited to go and trick-or-treat.
Oh, the airplane. The airport's over this way?
Huh?
The airport's over this way?
What'd you say?
The airport's over this way?
Which way?
This way.
Yeah.
Air Canada.
Anyways, guys, I'm so tired. So, who flies with Air Canada? WestJet. Afternoon, guys. It is Sunday, November 1st, and the time now is 12:46. It would actually be 1:46 by the time we're back today. Daylight savings time. I'm so tired. I'm so weak. Like, today is the last day of moving. We've been moving since Friday, but majority of the stuff is gone. And I still gotta fill you guys in on that whole mix-up that happened on Friday with the U-Haul company, but I'm still with Bay, so, you know? But we're just over this whole thing. We're just going back to the house now I just gotta clean up the bathroom and just do like a final mop through and stuff. We vacuumed everything. Everything's out. It's so weird. And like, I've slept there twice. The first night with Fuffy. Yesterday I slept there by myself because our bed still isn't up. Some of our screws got messed up during the move, so Marlon's not able to put the bed back together yet. So he hasn't slept there because there wouldn't be anywhere for him to sleep. He doesn't want to sleep on the blow-up bed or on the couch, and I understand that. I wouldn't want to sleep there on there either if my back was hurting me. So he's just at his mom's. But yeah, like, it's my apartment. It's so dope. Like, I love it. I love it. And I think this weekend.
So yeah, you might want to dance around in your kitchen today.
No, not this weekend.
The Virgin Radio to kind of burn off some. Stick around another
But
hour of hit music
maybe in 2
is on
weeks
the way, which you can dance to with Alessia
we'll have
Cara.
something. But I think on November 28th or whatever weekend that falls on, I think that's when I'm gonna do like a little housewarming. It's Marlon. It will be Marlon and my 4-year anniversary. So I think, like, what a better way to celebrate than with the fact that we have our own place, you know. Yes, it's rented, but still it's our own place. I feel money up here, you understand? But yeah, so I kind of cleared up a little bit of the place so it doesn't look so bad. The room I can't get into, so I can't show you guys that. But when I get back up to the apartment, I'll show you guys what's going on. Mine's come back, so yeah. Okay, so that's it. Let's make sure everything is done. So my room is just a room. I did. I tried. I can't. I'm gonna miss this bathroom. My storage is so much better now. It's not kids, it's decorative.
Kids stuff.
You're lucky I have more.
It's your fucking business.
Last time by the garage. Can you guys see it? Oh, my garage. So many memories. This fucking landlord's downstairs looking and investigating the place. Like, bitch, bye, we're out. Take back your fucking key. And that's it. Good day. Like, what the fuck is wrong with this man? So fucking extra. I can't stand him. Oh, I'm going in there for my fucking toilet paper. I'm so excited, you guys. We're officially done. And ooh, look more. It, folks, we are out. We're officially out of this fucking apartment. I'm so fucking happy. See this fucking old man in the back? Yes, that bitch. But we are finally fucking out. I am so fucking excited. So fucking excited. And yeah, I couldn't take it with these people. I couldn't. They're just too much. Like, it was just too much for my fucking life. So now I feel like even greater things are going to happen, and it couldn't have happened at a better time. So stoked. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys the apartment when we get there, because we're bringing the last of our stuff. It's so sad, but I'm excited. I'm fucking excited. I don't even care. Okay, I don't even care. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. No money on my mind. No money on my mind, no money on my mind. No, I have no money on my mind. Whew. Hey guys, good morning. Yes, it's morning. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a lot of sunshine out there. Oh no, you guys see? Yeah, no. Anyways, I'm just here. It is Tuesday, November the 3rd, and I'm still packing away stuff. So I decided that I was really, really tired, guys. Forgive me. I know I owe you guys a tour, so I'm going to give it to you guys now that stuff have started to be put away and there's less clutter and you can actually see things. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a tour now. See, I already started putting up some stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this started because I'm so excited. So this would be my living room. I still haven't figured out exactly how I'm going to set it up yet, but that's my living room. I'm just packing out everything, right? See if we can get that from a different angle for y'all. See my big old windows. Love, love, love. Okay. And then bam, you got your storage closet in here, girl. Do you see that? A walk-in storage closet? Like, I'm gonna be living up in here, girl. So I love that, right? This is going in my room. This is my makeup. About my makeup, my jewelry stuff. I got my glasses in there. Look at my mama, you guys. Look how sexy she is. That was before she had me. So hot. Mwah. So my glasses in here. I got my rings and stuff in here. Earrings. Necklaces. Okay. And then I got my bracelets in there. Yeah, I know. Oh, whatever. This is my hallway closet. Okay. And then you got the kitchen. It's all white. I think I'm gonna paint this like a darker gray, right? I think I got my there. Yeah, I made a meal yesterday. There's a big empty space here. I don't know. I'm thinking I might get like a little pantry or something to put over there. And then you got your fridge. This is where my dining table is going to be. I got that mirror to go put up on this wall over here. And then, yeah. Oh, and then, yeah. Hello. My linen closet. It's not unpacked yet. I just had to throw some stuff in there. And then my bedroom, it is kind of tiny compared to before, but it's all right. We're going to make everything work. It still has not been put together yet. And then you got my closet. Marlon needs to get his shit out of there. Hey, it's me again. And, oh, my bathroom. Just had to get some cheap one from the dollar store. The bathroom, my mirror, they gotta come fix. And then I think I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change it back to a vanity. And yeah, that is my new apartment. It's my new apartment, guys. What you think? You like it? Yay? Nay? So anyways, I'm just gonna get back to packing stuff away before I gotta leave out to go get Zari. I just wanted to share that with you guys. And forgive me because while I'm recording this, this week, okay, the Friday, I was not able to put up a DIY video because I was moving. Today's Tuesday. I do not think I'm going to be able to upload a vlog. And Thursday, I might not be able to upload a vlog either. Toya still has my camera from Autumn's party because I left it in the trick-or-treating bag. And her aunt took it home with the camera in it by accident. So Toya still has that. I have content on that needs to be uploaded first before I can upload what's on my phone. So until I get that back, I really can't do anything much anyways. So there might not be any vlogs for this week. Forgive me while I'm recording this. And yeah, but I will be back. It won't be too long. I get my internet next week. Hopefully by next week they will be coming to put that up. Marlon's dying without internet. And I don't really need cable because we have an Android box and that has everything on it. So yeah. So that's just what's up right now. I'm still sick, as you can hear. And yeah, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with the whole long talking thing. I'm gonna go and finish cleaning and get the road on the show and go do what I have to do. It's so hot. I really need to go and get these damn curtains to prevent all this sunlight coming into the house because, geez, it's so freaking hot. And I need to go and get a fan as well because, Lord, nighttime it's cool, but in the day, bruh. Anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later.